20th Central New Jersey. Southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Williamsburg, 48 Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The attack and power lines if possible. Locations infected include Philadelphia, Van Salem, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Bordentown, Beverly, Florence, Wilmington, and Northeast Philadelphia. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 329 and 300. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 58. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Severe thunderstorms. Tornado go once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room